In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure email and campaign performance on HubSpot with a single click. This guide is perfect for those who want to quickly gain insights into their marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions that can boost engagement and efficiency. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful tools HubSpot has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you've got these ready so you can log in seamlessly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface. This is your main hub where you can easily access different aspects of your marketing operations. From here, identify and click on the Marketing tab. This section is specifically tailored for managing your marketing campaigns and is designed to bring all your campaigns under one roof. Once you're in the marketing section, locate and click on Campaigns. This will direct you to a page that showcases all of your active and past campaigns. Here is where you'll dive into the nitty-gritty details of your marketing activities. To proceed, you will need to select a campaign you're interested in analyzing. Let's choose the Abandoned Cart campaign, a frequent focus for many marketers aiming to recapture lost sales opportunities. When you select a specific campaign like the Abandoned Cart, you'll be presented with an array of data and insights linked to that campaign. To get a deep understanding of how well your campaign is functioning, look for and click on the Performance button. This crucial step will take you to a dashboard filled with performance metrics. This dashboard is where the magic happens. Here you'll see a comprehensive overview of key performance indicators such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion metrics. Understanding these metrics gives you a clearer picture of what's working and what might need tweaking in your email and campaign strategies. As you explore these statistics, take note of any trends or patterns. This is a chance to strategize improvements, perhaps testing different subject lines or adjusting the timing of your emails to better capture your audience's attention. Remember, the key to making the most out of this data lies in your willingness to experiment and optimize based on the feedback you gather here. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to measuring email and campaign performance on HubSpot with just a single click. Apply these steps to ensure you're making informed decisions that drive your marketing campaigns towards success. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Make sure to stay tuned for more insightful content that enhances your digital marketing prowess.